Now that installation is complete, plug the operator into a 120-volt outlet. A surge protector is highly recommended. Next, program the travel limits. Travel limits regulate the points at which the door will stop when moving up or down. To set the limits, first press and hold the black button until the yellow indicator light starts flashing slowly. Push and hold the black button until the door reaches the desired up or open position. Adjust the position of the door by using the black and purple buttons. Black moves the door up and purple moves the door down. Check to be sure the door opens high enough for the vehicle that will occupy the garage. To preserve your up setting, push the remote control or wall control. This sets the up limit and begins closing the door. Press either the black or purple button before the door hits the floor. The door will stop. Now adjust the desired down limit position using the black and purple buttons. Check to be sure the door is fully closed. When the door is in the correct down position, push the remote control or wall control. This sets the down limit